Howdy ho, turtles. It's Krik with Blackout Outdoors, and today we're doing some mountain camp cooking. My brother and I are up at our mountain camp filming videos, doing some work, but we're both getting hungry. We just took a break and now it's time for me to do some cooking for both of us. If you watched our mountain camp overnight video, I'm going to make pretty much the same exact meal with the rice noodles and the dehydrated vegetables from Harmony House, but there's going to be an addition of one new ingredient that I'm hoping will work well and translate to pretty good flavor on the trail. At this point, I'm just going to get the stove out, get everything on, and then we'll meet back up once the vegetables are in the water. Just using fat wood to get this fire going. I could be really cool and do something really woodsman-y or outdoorsy. I'm hungry, I'm tired, not messing around today, so I'm just gonna put a lighter to that fat wood and hope it goes up right away. All right, so let's talk about this special ingredient that I'm hoping might turn bland food into something flavorful. And here it is. This was sent to us by this company because we actually met one of the ladies who works there, and this is raw vegan cheese. And she just sent a sample pack, and the vegan I'm not so worried about, but nonetheless we have it, and I think it's worth it to experiment with. That's what I'm trying to say. But I'm just going to cook like I normally would and add this towards the end with some extra water inside the pot, hoping this is going to add some really nice flavor to the meal. So what we're going to do, rehydrate, cook the vegetables, add the noodles, and then we'll meet back up when it's time to add some of this into our food. Checking to see if these vegetables are close to being ready so I can add the rice noodles. I'm hungry. There's a bell pepper. Let me try something else. You might be almost ready to put those noodles in. Yeah, I'm gonna add the noodles now. I'm gonna add a little water just to make sure we got enough of that cheese. Noodles are done. I'm gonna take it off now and try to add some of that cheese, see what happens. Don't want that falling in there. I'm gonna take a whiff and see what this smells like. Maybe the cheese smell is at the bottom. Oh, maybe there it is a little bit. I don't know, I've half the mind just to eat it as is and not put any of this on. But this is what we said we're gonna do, so let's do it. I'm just gonna dump a little, stir it. I don't know how much water is at the bottom, but I need water for this to work, so I can always add more. I think I'm just gonna try it like that. Keep stirring this just a little bit and take a bite and see what happens. It's definitely thickening up, which is what I was hoping for. All right, time for the first bite. Make sure I get enough so there's enough flavor to see if it's there. Doesn't look too bad, does it? Darn, I am salivating. Let me just give it a smell first. Smell the cheese. Only one way to find out is put it in your mouth. You can only taste the cheese. I don't know if it actually really does taste like anything, but there's not much water to add anymore, but I'll just add a little bit more and keep it on top and try to get a really strong bite to see if there's any flavor in this cheese. Don't get me wrong, this is good. I'm so hungry, just a hot meal. It's good, but still is not as much flavor as I want. I just don't think there's much flavor to it, so I'm just gonna add more. Oh, this is what happens whenever you're making decisions on an empty stomach. Oh, that might have been, oh yeah, almost looks like oatmeal porridge. Ooh.
Sounds disgusting.
Well, it changed the flavor, but mysteriously it didn't really add any flavor. I don't know how it's possible. So I don't know if I would use this again on the trail, because I like doing one pot meals, especially when I'm backpacking or just hiking for the day. And that's what I'm trying to accomplish, get really good recipes for one pot meals. So maybe powdered cheese with actual real dairy products might have more flavor, and I'm suspecting it will. But with this raw vegan cheese, it's just not really adding much flavor. But I forgot salt and pepper, and I know that would add more flavor. So in the combination of that, might be better. I know lots of you have experience on the trail, cooking on the trail. So I'm curious, coming from my standpoint, that I'm trying to eat a little bit more flavorful food while I'm out, because I don't like cooking too much and or doing dishes. So let me know, do you have any of that, that one ingredient that transforms everything? I've mentioned before sriracha, that I'll eat sriracha on everything because it's instant flavor, it adds spice, and it's just really easy. So are there any other those miracle spices that you think I could be using in my one pot meals? Let me know. We're gonna keep doing cooking videos because I really want to get down the recipes and share them with you, recipes I'm really excited for. As always, thank you for the support, especially to our patrons over on Patreon. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us. To the next video, this is Krik and Stony. Peace out, turtles.